Hey everyone, this is John from Show Me Pickers, and if you're new to the channel, we are a reselling family that flips stuff on eBay, and we make a full-time living selling everything from the kitchen sink to used toys on eBay, and we do really well. But today we are going to be discussing the 2021 holiday season, the Christmas season. Christmas is about upon us, and all indicators show that if you are prepared for this holiday season, that you could make a ton of money. I keep reading news reports where there are tons of retailers that are saying that toys are going to be in short supply. There aren't going to be a lot of toys out there. There are a couple toys that I've already found that are really valuable, but they're sold out in stores. So the thing is what are we going to do? Are we going to be able to go out and capitalize on this shortage? Do you plan on going out and capitalizing on the shortage? This is what I would like to ask you. Let me know down below. In 2020, I was able to capitalize on the swimming pool craze. Most of the public swimming pools were closed down, and there really wasn't a whole lot open. Theme parks were shut down, and people were always looking for things to do. And one of the things that many Americans invested in were swimming pools. So me and my wife, we went out and we found a ton of swimming pools. We bought a couple pallets of them, and we sold those on eBay, and we made a really hefty sum, and it set us up to where we're currently at. If it wasn't for the swimming pool craze, we would not have the capital that we have currently to invest in buying more products so that we can make money. So it's really important to be able to see the trends as they come. Like right now, we know all indicators are showing that it's pretty much going to be a really hard Christmas to find items. There could be stuff like PS5s. We're talking about video game accessories. We're talking about tablets, computers, and stuff like that that are probably going to be really hard for a lot of people to find. I actually use Google, their news service. There's actually a way to go into Google and you can put in Google Alerts. And what I have done is I have went in and I have went into my Google account and I have set up an alert for hot toys. And one of the news alerts that I got that came through the Google News service was an alert about like 20 toys that were Walmart exclusives. They're going to be really hot this year, and one of them was like a cauldron that you had like a little creature in there, and you would like, it's a little weird, but like you would put stuff in there and you would like have a wand and your pet would come out of the cauldron. This is more like a Halloween toy to me than Christmas, but it is originally $59.95 at Walmart, and right now it's selling for like $140 on eBay, and they're sold out everywhere. And if you can go on eBay, what I typically do is I find these hot toys and I will go on eBay and I will look for the seller that put the UPC in the listing, and when I find that, I will copy and paste that UPC into brickseek.com. And if you are a subscriber to that program, I don't even think you have to be a subscriber. You can actually do store lookups and store research on that website without even being subscribed to the service. So you put that UPC in, you put your zip code in, and it will tell you the stores around you that actually has that item in stock. So then you know there is a chance that if you go to this store that's 20 miles away, that you'll be able to find this certain item. And that works out really well. One of the tactics that I use quite often is once I find a hot toy, I will see what other resellers are selling that. And I like to affectionately call this retail espionage. And what I'm doing is I'm going out looking for people who are actively doing retail arbitrage, and then they will turn around, and if they find one good item, typically they're going to find 2 or 3 more. And when you're able to do that and you see what these other resellers are selling, it's really easy that once you do more research and you find that UPC and you use the website BrickSeek, that you're able to go out and like try Target, try Walmart. There's only so many retail stores anymore, Walgreens, where people are really picking up this stuff to flip on places like eBay and Amazon. And typically eBay isn't the greatest website for retail arbitrage, but because of the shortages that COVID has caused, that it is actually a pretty good place right now to find or to flip stuff that is kind of getting hard to find. And that brings me into the next thing. Now that we've discussed a little bit about talking about flipping some toys on eBay, for Christmas, which I think will be very profitable. I actually have a friend who is a store manager at a grocery store. And something that I want to just let you guys know as my viewers, that you need to be going out and you need to be stocking up on food. If you have extra money, go out and right now, over the next couple months, and start putting extra food back. Because their contracts are getting ready to expire, the contracts between the wholesaler or the supplier to the grocery store, and a lot of these food prices that we're going to see go up 30, 40, maybe even 50%. So anything that you can buy right now, you're going to save yourself 50% on it probably sometimes after the first of the year, because it's when the contracts are renegotiated for the year. So just know that, be prepared. I do think that we're getting ready to go into a period of like major inflation, so you need to be aware. Our government is not making great choices right now on either side. I'm not going to point fingers at anyone, but I'm letting you guys know because you're the people who watch my channel, and you typically don't watch my channel for this kind of advice, and I normally don't give it, but I just want to let you guys know that it is important for you to go out and just get some extra food. If you would, do it for me, because I want to make sure you guys are well taken care of if something bad would happen. So this is pretty much the video for today. I just wanted to get on here and ask you guys what you thought about flipping toys for Christmas. I think that there's going to be a lot of money to be made there. I think it's pretty much like if you could throw a dart in the toy department and there's something sitting on the shelf. If you buy that now, I think that in a couple months that toy will be probably, you'll be able to make money on it. I don't think you're going to get hurt buying much of anything right now, because the supply chains are just breaking down. These ports are backed up. There's tons of cargo ships waiting to be offloaded, and there's just no one there that really wants to do the work. So I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. I can tell you what I'm going to do with my money is that I'm going to try to invest, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 into some toy merchandise that I can put back. And I'm going to see what happens. I'm doing my research. I'm going out. I'm checking what other people are selling. I'm doing the important homework right now so that I can see what's going to be popular. I'm watching, asking my children, watching YouTube videos, watching TikTok. TikTok's a great way to be able to measure what's popular right now. Go into TikTok and type in hot toy, and you will find a lot of good stuff. That's why you're here. That's a very good tip right there. So I'm going to get off here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would, go down, leave me a comment below. Maybe hit that subscribe button. I'm going to have my call to action. Hit that subscribe button right now. And thank you very much for watching. God bless you guys. Have a good day.